Well, hello again everyone, and welcome back to the garage on what is a slightly cooler day than the other day, and I think the conditions are right that we can finish off putting the base coat on those tins. I've spotted one more bit of unevenness that needs sanding off with the 120 grit. Now this will need another coat of etch primer so all these little patches don't show through. Right, I've given that plenty of time to flash over. Gone and made myself a brew, so now it's time to give it a coat of the black base coat. Like me, rocking boots and white tee, designer on my cuff, link something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Right, we'll give that 20 minutes or so, then come back and give it another coat. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm about it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. Well, I've noticed there's quite a few bits floating around in the air today. You can see them in the air outside the garage. And yeah, so they're settling in my paint, which is not great. But yeah, I'm going to let it dry, see if I can pick those bits out. We'll just brush them off. And then we'll give it a third and final base coat. I mean, a lot of this stuff will be hidden by the seat when it goes on, so it may not be too bad. This is the problem with painting in a lock-up garage with the door open, but don't really have much choice. Yeah, I've left this to dry for a while. Look at the amount of little white flecks that have gathered on it. Fortunately, most of them, I think, will just brush off. Yeah, something in the air, definitely today. Well, I think that's all the outside painting that I can get done at the moment. I could go in and start airbrushing on the front bumper because that's been dry for quite some time. But I think because it's nice and sunny out here and I've got the garage open, I'll get on with something else. And I was talking to Chaz last night, and in terms of reassembly of the bike, I think the next thing to do is to put the swing arm back on. I think that's the first stage in reassembly of the bike, we decided. So let's gather together the bits that we need to put the swing arm back on. So apart from the swing arm itself, I think the bits we need, the long bolt that goes through as the pivot for the swing arm, and the two shock absorbers that make the suspension, and the bolts to fit them on. Now the chrome bolts are all in reasonably good condition. The ends of the shocks are a little bit corroded, and the body itself is a little bit tatty. So we'll try and bring these back to life a little bit. I'm going to give them a rub down with some red Scotch-Brite, and then we might just repaint the black canisters. I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot and you not. That's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, hard road. Gotta go home. Yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gonna keep on. Yeah. Came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee, designer on my cuff, link something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, why they mad at a man like me? I went too crazy. Right, now I think is a key moment in the project, because what I want to do is get the frame back on the bike stand, off the workmate and back on the bike stand, so we can start to put the swing arm on. So we're actually starting now, or will be shortly, to put the bike back together. So yeah, I think that counts as a key moment, doesn't it? Everywhere I go, my scene, and they be hating. That's such a lame thing. Yeah, y'all be lame teams. I could never ever go outside Right, well, I want to let those harden up a little bit longer, so I'll work on something else. And one thing I do want to do is to try out getting those new handlebars on. So I'm going to see if I can clean up the yokes a little bit, maybe with some Scotch-Brite and some WD-40. The chrome on the top yoke's not too bad. Bottom yoke is a bit more flaky. I don't think we're going to be able to do much with them other than try and clean them up. So here goes.
Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gonna keep going. Yeah. Can't do flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came, country boy stepping, yeah.
Right, well, I've positioned the suspension parts in the frame. Fortunately, the end just fits onto the stand there. I've got me bolts ready and the spanner. It's a 24mm spanner to pop them in. I'm going to pop a little bit of grease on them just to help grease the wheels, as it were. And yeah, let's get them done up.
Yeah, they can't get like me. Rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ain't something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping.
I haven't got any torque settings for them. In fact, I haven't really got any torque settings for anything, but I've left it so I can move them pretty easily. And yeah, I'll tighten them up once I've got everything a bit more in position. Right, let's go and get the swing arm. I've got the swing arm in from the house, and I've got the bar that the swing arm mounts on. And yeah, it's time to put it all together. The bar's got one end with this little plastic shield on it, and that goes the side that the chain goes. That's just to guard against the chain hitting the bar, I think. Right, let's juggle all this into position. Right, well, I guess we can think about putting the back wheel in, but I just want to have a little clean up of the brake mounting plate and bits and pieces first.
Clouds so high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. The rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. Ooh, they said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born.
Well, I think the worst part on there was this brake mounting plate, which I've cleaned up reasonably well. So yeah, if I get a moment, I'm sure we'll have the back wheel off again before this is finished. So I might spend a bit more time on it, but it's okay for the moment. Right, let's get that back wheel on. Just put it on loosely for the moment, because we'll have some more adjustments to do later, no doubt.
No chance to hold. Sky is the limit. I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit. I'm out of control tonight. Every doubt you.
Oh, right, that did make me sweat a bit, but it is on. It's only on loosely, so remind me later on that that is not tightened up. Right, what's next? Right, next job I think is to carefully dismantle the starter switch and draw the wires back through the handlebars so I can take the old handlebars and risers off and fit the top yoke to the bottom yoke and try out my new handlebars. Making sure to take some photos of the wiring as I go.
I came. till now. The stars are down like good old friends.
Right, all those starter switch parts get in their own container, because we might have to reuse this if we can work out how to put it all back together. Right, to get the yoke off, I've got to undo these big Allen bolts.
Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight.
Well, we've got ourselves a problem here. The old handlebar risers have got this thick bolt, probably looks about, I don't know, M10 or something. And my new risers only have probably M8, I guess, at the most. And yeah, that's not going to go in there. We're going to rattle around. Probably not be very safe. So yeah, I've got to come up with something else there. But anyway, I think that's a problem for another day. I've got some other jobs I've got to do in the house. It's getting quite late. Been out here most of the day. So I think that's where we'll leave it for this video. And yeah, drop me a note if you've got any ideas about those handlebars. And yeah, see you in the next one.